Montegrappa takes you back in time to ancient Egypt. With the limited edition pens Thoth, dedicated to the Egyptian god of writing and inventor of the alphabet. Who else but the god of scribes is worthy to have a pen celebrating him? So let's see what these writing instruments have to tell us about ancient Egypt and its god of knowledge. The god's head, in the shape of an ibis made using the lost wax casting technique, crowns the cap, segueing into the pocket clip. These sarcophagus-like pens are fashioned in fine charcoal black celluloid, enriched with contrasting elements in sterling silver or 18K gold. The burnished laser-cut engravings evoke the magical atmosphere of the highly adorned walls of the most beautiful Egyptian throne rooms. Astonishing hieroglyphics and engravings, inspired by Egyptian clothing, adorn the whole cap. The barrel reproduces one of the 12 emerald tablets of Thoth on one side and the image of the ibis-headed god on the opposite one. The emerald tablets are believed to be written in the ancient Atlantean language, suggesting that god Thoth actually came from the lost civilization of Atlantis. The bottom of the barrel portrays the sacred ceremony of the weighing of the heart before Osiris, while Anubi is weighing the deceased's heart against the feather of Mat. Thoth is recording the results. A charming myth narrates that Thoth won 5 extra days of light by gambling with the moon, creating the 365-day calendar. That is why 365 fountain pens and 365 roller balls are manufactured in sterling silver, while 5 fountain pens and 5 roller balls are fashioned in 18K gold. Papyrus or paper, it doesn't matter. Writing with Thoth pens is a magical experience.